A Russian serviceman criticized North Korea's 7.62mm Type 73 machine gun. Judging by the setting, the recording was made at a firing range. An instructor or a soldier is present in the frame. Among the main disadvantages of the Type 73 machine gun are its heavy weight and the inconvenience of iron sights. As a result, the Russian soldier stated that he would prefer not to work with this weapon.
Magic Frinovina. It's my first time holding it. Heavy. Maybe it's even possible to shoot from a standing position. Very unusual. Very heavy. Very unusual. Weighs noticeably heavier. Around 15 kilograms. Maybe 16. That's about how much it weighs. Strange aiming devices, really strange. I wouldn't want to work with those. Thank you, brother.
The first unit of the Ukrainian Legion, a volunteer brigade being formed and trained in Poland, has departed for Ukraine. Ukraine's ambassador to Poland, Vasyl Bodnar, said in an interview with Radio Free Europe. Bodnar didn't clarify how many troops were sent. The initiative aims to bolster Ukraine's armed forces by recruiting Ukrainian men living in Poland and other EU countries. The training of the first Legionnaires will continue at Ukrainian military grounds, according to Bodnar. The next group of volunteers is scheduled to sign contracts with Ukraine's armed forces on January 10 and begin training in Poland. The ambassador described the project as a success story, despite challenges and criticism from Russian propaganda. Our citizens who join it will have the satisfaction of good training, he said, emphasizing the unit's voluntary nature. Since its unveiling in July, the Ukrainian Legion has attracted over 1,000 applicants. The first recruitment center opened in October at the Ukrainian consulate in Lublin, Poland. The unit is trained by the Polish Armed Forces as part of a joint effort between Kyiv and Warsaw to address Ukraine's manpower shortages. Ukraine recently reformed its domestic mobilization policies and is in talks with foreign partners to facilitate the return of thousands of draft-eligible citizens who fled abroad. The formation of the Ukrainian Legion reflects Kyiv's broader efforts to replenish its military ranks as the war is in its third year. The Kursk direction. Faced with logistical difficulties and food shortages, Russian soldiers stole a pig. Recent reports from Kursk paint a grim picture of deteriorating discipline among Russian troops stationed in the region. As heavy losses mount and morale sinks, incidents of looting by Russian soldiers have become increasingly common. Civilians describe soldiers ransacking homes, shops, and warehouses, taking anything of value, from food and clothing to electronics and personal belongings. Eyewitnesses recount seeing groups of armed men forcibly entering homes under the pretext of requisitioning supplies for the war effort. However, locals argue this is little more than organized theft, driven by desperation and hunger. Some soldiers reportedly trade looted goods for alcohol or other necessities, further fueling disorder within the ranks. At first, the Russians cheerfully ride in their bukhanka, but then everything goes according to plan. It seems the nets stretched along the road don't help much.
Пизда, блядь. Где? От машинки подальше отойти надо. Сука, где она летает, блядь? Ладно, видео все.
Stupidity has no bounds in Russia. Thousands of bags of fuel oil collected on the resort beach in Anapa are getting washed away back into the sea. Thousands of tons of fuel products were spilled by 3 decrepit tankers in Russia's shadow fleet in the Black Sea. Russia is a fallen state. Before these bags filled with fuel oil collected in Anapa were swept back into the Black Sea, this woman complained that there is no equipment available to remove them from the beach. Bags with mazout fuel that was collected at the Black Sea beaches are being washed into the sea again, Russian telegram channels report. All cleaning has been stopped due to a storm. More mazut can be dumped onto the shore from the sea. The environmental disaster continues.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.